And now for the news in detail. Amid growing criticism against the VIP culture in the state, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday called for a restraint and advised VIPs to avoid exploiting their privileges. He emphasized the need for a balance between ensuring their security and respecting the convenience of the people. The CM disclosed that the government is reviewing the use of sirens, flickering lights and other mechanisms associated with VIP security. The police department has been tasked with examining the matter and submitting a detailed report to the cabinet.
Reviewing and regulating the usage of siren and the flickering lights and other mechanisms of security and safety that is there. We have asked the police department to review this entire thing and present to the cabinet complete, a new complete format for this, which is under process.